making the switch to fully electric is big news. I mean, journalists like myself can tell you what the car is like, but you're still likely to have your doubts. It's only natural. You might question things like, does it fit my lifestyle? How do I charge it? Can I get the kids in the back? Is it reliable? All very sensible questions that might be holding you back. But if a friend or a neighbour decides to take the plunge first and get their first EV, you can learn from their experience. If it works for them, it can work for you too. And then you might notice certain little streets or certain villages that just end up filling up with EVs as the word spreads. And that is exactly what has happened here. Welcome to Leaf Street. Okay, no, it's not called Leaf Street, but it might as well be. Right, back in 2011, Electrifying.com's Tom Barnard bought a Nissan LEAF, and while he was the first electric car driver on his street back then, he certainly wasn't going to be the last. Hi, Tom!
Hello.
There she is, your beloved LEAF.
My LEAF.
So, from what
lovely?
I hear, you were the first in this village, but you were not the last.
Yeah, so I first got a LEAF 11 years ago.
Right.
And I've had this car for 8 years.
Okay.
But people were asking me about it, these newfangled electric cars, and
Yeah.
I said, no, it works for us, it's great, it's cheap to run. And they go, oh, well, it might work for us. So then another person bought one, and then their neighbours bought one, then the neighbours they bought one, and it's just grown, and we've now got loads of LEAFs.
Well, I've got to go find some.
Yeah, do you want to go and see them?
Yeah.
Do you want to go and chat to them? Do you like treasure hunts?
Yeah. Stop it, there's not a map.
I knew a map. So we're there.
Yeah.
I'll suggest you start there, which is just behind us.
Okay.
But you just need to go around there. There are 3 there.
Okay.
Have fun.
I'm going on a leaf hunt. So, after Tom bought his LEAF, he started to get questions from neighbours in his village who were curious about going electric themselves. And before too long, Tom's wasn't the only LEAF on his street. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Leaf, leaf, leaf. Okay, so we're starting with Charlotte and Sharif, which I believe is this white one here. So let's do it. Charlotte?
Yes.
I'm Nicola.
Hi. Hi.
I'd love to chat to you about your LEAF.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Right, so Charlotte, how long have you had your LEAF for?
Nearly 3 years now,
Oh.
almost to the day.
Nice. And I
Yes.
hear that your son learnt to drive in it. Is
Yeah,
that right?
yeah, he did. We're quite remote where we live with sort of windy country lanes, so it was great for him learning how to handle a vehicle without worrying about changing gears.
And did he pass?
He did.
What is it specifically about the LEAF that you love then?
Oh, well, our neighbours have had LEAFs for quite a number of years, and they recommended them to us. We've had lifts with them and really like them. But yeah, love the green credentials, and they're cheap to run.
Well, here's the thing. I mean, you said it was because of the neighbours. It's Mel
Yeah.
and Martin, right?
Mel and Martin,
Okay,
yeah.
I'm going to go and chat
Right
with them.
next door.
Right, I'm on it. I'm going to go and thank you, Charlotte.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, look. It's a brown one. That's nice, isn't it? Okay.
Hello.
Martin?
Hello, yes.
I'm Nicola.
Hello, Nicola.
Hi, I'd love to chat about your LEAF.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So, Martin, this is your second LEAF, is that right?
It is, yes. We bought one, the first one was in 2014. And we had that on a 2-year PCP. And then when they came to replace that one, we got this one, so that was 2016. And we've kept it ever since and done 85,000 miles. I like driving it because it's just so easy and relaxing to drive because it's just point and go.
Yeah.
For Mel, it's the convenience of coming out to a preconditioned car. So early morning training, she's a Neville coach, coming out in the winter time to a car that's already frost free, already heated steering wheel, heated seats, already and fully charged and ready to go. There's no stopping on the way to get fuel. It's just the perfect little car for her.
So, I mean, you managed to convince Charlotte next door, Charlotte and Sharif next door. Have you convinced anyone else to get a LEAF?
Jackie and Andy across the road.
I had a feeling, because I spotted it on the way in, so now I'm going to go and have a chat with Andy.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Martin. Thank you. Can I just say, none of this is made up. This is all absolutely genuine. I've just neighbours convincing each other to get themselves a Leaf. I love it. Right, let's go knock on this door.
Hello.
Andy?
Yes.
I'm Nicola.
Hello, Nicola. How are you?
Hi. I want to chat about your Leaf.
Okay.
Come on then. So Andy, tell me everything about the Leaf and what you love so much about it.
We pay 9p a kilowatt hour overnight, so to charge it fully overnight between half past midnight and 4:30 in the morning costs us less than £2 a day.
I mean, life doesn't get much better than that,
No,
does it?
not at all. Not at all. Brilliant. We use it for the school run every day, so 2 kids in the back. Well, when I say 2 kids, 2 teenagers. So
Oh, well,
they're a
even
bit
better.
bigger.
Yeah.
And my wife, she does first aid training, so if I took you into the garage to see how much first aid kit, you wouldn't believe, but she piles it all in, goes and does her courses.
Can I also give a shout out to you, because yours is definitely the cleanest of the ones that I've seen so far. So I'm very impressed, Andy.
Yeah, it doesn't always look like that, I'm afraid.
Andy, thank you so much. I do actually I've got another stop to go on my Leaf mission. I'm going to, okay, so I'm going here next.
Yep, that's Steve. You'll
Steve.
like Steve, he's a chef.
Ooh.
And I think he's very good at making cakes.
I love cake. You have me at cake. Okay, well, I'm going to get the cake. Thank you, Andy. Steve,
Nicola,
I've come for cake.
let me go and get it.
So, Steve, tell me about the car.
The Leaf was an easy decision. 4 years ago, we decided to move from a diesel car, which was expensive to fill monthly, expensive to run. When my job took me into London, where we have offices in Liverpool Street, there's ample charging bays, good parking, and of course it's free. Apart from the power I use to drive into London, I don't have to pay to park if I'm charging. So it's very affordable.
No ULEZ?
No ULEZ. The car's registered, and I can work whilst I'm in the car, which you can't on the train.
How do you mean?
Well, the functionality of the Nissan means that I can just say, "Hey Siri," and I can send notes, I can send emails, I can make calls, and legally, because I'm not touching the phone or the screen whilst I'm driving.
That's brilliant. I mean, oh, hold on. I now have to be somewhere else. Hold that plate for me, please, Steve. Because I've now got to go to... I'm now going here.
Oh, down to Ivor.
Ivor.
And Pat, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, every plant you see in this garden came from them.
Oh, stunning. Right, I'm
Honestly.
going to take that with me, if that's all right.
Please, yeah.
Thanks.
Of course. Would you like any more?
Yes.
Okay, I'll get
right,
some.
go wrap some up and then I'll go.
I'll go and get some.
Go on, hurry up, Steve.
I'm going now.
Thank you. Oh, there it is, look. There it is. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. It's got solar panels and everything in here. So, Ivor, I hear that all of this stemmed from this little solar-powered daisy.
Yes, yes, that exactly. If some power can do that to a tiny little thing like that, why couldn't it do something for a car?
Yeah. So, what made you choose a Nissan LEAF?
I thought that Nissan had been the front runners of electric cars.
Yeah.
That's why we chose
It was a
them.
no-brainer. So, looking at your solar panels, you're pretty much completely running off solar power alone.
For the miles that we do now,
Yeah.
I'm pretty confident that runs free. Sun.
Fantastic. And we have to say a big thank you to the solar-powered daisy for doing the trick for
I'll
you.
put that back because I need that.
Oh yeah, I'll go put it back. I don't want to get in trouble. Right, this next one I have to be there bang on 4 o'clock, so no pressure. It's here. This is Tom's house. I'm back at Tom's. We can't count Tom's again. That's cheating. You said there was one more. We can't count yours again.
Be patient. 4 o'clock.
No, I bought you cake.
Oh, thanks. Here we go.
Oh, okay. Hi, Henry. Such a teenage hello. Another leafer, I see.
Yeah.
What is it about it that you love so much?
Oh, well, it's just so easy. You just charge it. As long as you can remember to charge it at night, it's good to go the next day, just as easy as your phone.
Yeah, I mean, it's quite nice that you're kind of doing school runs and stuff. You've been doing that for a while with Tom.
Yeah, we've been doing that for the last 8 years now, and we do the drop-offs. Tom does the pickups. It's just perfect for that.
Go out in
down
one
country
leaf,
lanes.
come back in another leaf.
Yeah.
I like that. I mean, I've seen a lot of leafs today. I think you should probably consider calling it Leaf Street or Leafville. Maybe.
Could do. Confuse the postman though.
Yeah, that's true. Are there any more? Or are we done?
No, I think we're done now. I mean, there are a lot of other electric cars that have appeared in the past 5 years or so, and because good word spreads, you know, it's good news about electric cars, and people know they work.
Well, I've very much enjoyed the treasure hunt. Take
Good.
the cake away from me because I've had too much cake.
What happened to the rest of it?
I can't have any more cake. I've had so much cake. I'm going to go because the area looks a bit out of place in this. So I'm going to go.
Good to
Take
see
care.
you. Bye.